That's gonna be my new engine to put in my Mustang.
This is a Atlas 4200 all aluminum block 2006. There's a lot of dudes making a lot of power on these now. They're crazy lightweight. My cousin Eric was gonna put it in this Nissan Skyline. He was gonna do it just to piss off all the guys that love the imports, but he's got so many projects on the go. He offered this to me for $100, so that's pretty interesting. So we're gonna take it home and just look at it, weigh it, measure it, dream about it. It's crazy how lightweight it is. Like, I can lift this entire engine. Look at the intake ports on this side come up. Look at the size of the intake ports, man, just monsters. Supposedly these heads flow like 300 CFM right from the factory. I can't believe how light it is, baby. Like, I'm serious. Like, that's the size, that's the weight of a Cummins cylinder head right there, the whole damn engine. Man, that's cool. That's really interesting. Okay. Holy cow, look at all the Mustangs we got hanging around here. We got something new. But cool thing, we got the Ghost back there. Just doing a little scuff and primer job on that one and putting her up for sale. And this is the wife's hot rod that we're building. So I like to do everything on a budget. So we have an engine I thought I was gonna pay $100 for, but my cousin Eric said you can have it for free. I'm not 100% sure that we're going to use it yet. We're going to check it out. This is an Atlas 4.2 liter GM engine. All aluminum cylinder head, all aluminum block. The heads flow about 300 CFM on the intake, dual overhead cam. These are a really whizzy engine. And one of the neatest things is this thing, I'm going to weigh it, but I've heard that just the long block itself, not fully dressed, is like 380 pounds. I've heard fully dressed, this is about 450 pounds. Like fully dressed, how it sits in a GMC Envoy or something. So this might be the engine that's going into that Mustang. Man, it'd be pretty cool. So lightweight. We're gonna weigh it here. We'll see what it is. Okay, we got the Atlas 4200. What's it gonna weigh? All aluminum. This is probably gonna be the new stove that goes in the wife's hot rod. It's all aluminum cylinder head, all aluminum block. Has the starter, has the water pump, no intake manifold. That's plastic anyway from the factory. No exhaust manifold, no AC. So pretty much almost a bare long block here. Let's see what she weighs. Holy cow, I can't believe it's moving already. What? Okay, stop. We're floating. Okay, we're airborne. 369 pounds. Wow, 369 pounds. That is ridiculous. That's pretty good, baby.